Dear Manager, I'm writing to report a customer complaint we received yesterday from Miss Linda Smith regarding a laptop she purchased from our store. Miss Smith stated that her device has stopped working a few days ago. To support her claim, she has already sent us a copy of her purchase bill as proof of transaction. She expressed dissatisfaction with the situation and requested a clear explanation for the issue, as well as some solution. At this at this stage, it appears a product may have a technical fault. I recommend that we arrange an inspection of laptop as soon as possible. Depending on the resource, we, we could offer repair, replacement, or refund in accordance with our. Please advise on how would you like to process.